Hey, Scentsy fanatics. Jackie Slaughterbeck, your independent Scentsy consultant. I just got my Captain America warmer today. I went live in my group, but I thought I'd do it again because I'm having so much fun doing this today. Anyway, this is the box it comes in. I really like what it says. I could do this all day, and you know, I don't like bullies. I don't care where they're from. Kind of cool. So, this is the dish for it with the Captain America logo. It does says not for food. Now, I've already put this on. Okay, you do not have to put this on if you don't want it. It is a separate piece that has to be put on. So, I have it turned on right now. Take a look at that. How it glows through the different white spaces. And then, of course, we have Hydra in the New York skyline. I think it's New York. Should be New York because that's where it was all set. But what's really cool is what's going to go up on your wall is this, the Captain America symbol. So, Captain America was 55. When I did put the link in the, on the video. So, these are while supplies last. So, when it's gone, it's gone. Unless, I mean, they may bring it in and out of the vault, but, this is just so cool. I am so excited. This is going in my office. My grandson's going to be really jealous. I might need to buy another one. I get him a Spider-Man one, though, so you would think that that would be cool, right? You never know. So, Rocket and Groot come out on Monday the 24th, so be ready for them. But this is the Captain America warmer. Here's what it looks like off and on. So, have a great day, and